My favorite part of today was learning how you can really accomplish a lot in a short period of time. You can have them doing yoga and learning math at the same time. I can see myself using this in my classroom, definitely. I teach 6th grade and I have for 34 years. I can see how this program would help fill in the gaps for all those kids who need more challenge, a way to get that into their system through movement.
My favorite part of today was actually being involved in it, so actually doing the movements and jumping. I felt like I was able to solidify the information that I was getting because I was actively engaged in what I was being taught.